Hello everyone. So today in this video we will see how we can purchase a course on Hexnbit portal. So on scrolling down you can access all these courses that are available over our website. So whatever course you want to purchase, either the summer internship under any particular category or whatever, you just need to click on that, and after that it will ask you to select an option whether you want online option or the offline. So on selecting one of them you'll get the particular price, and you just need to click on this select options button, and after that either you can click on this view card option, or if you want to add on some more courses then you can go back to the home page and then again add on some courses. So here you can see this cart option as well. It is showing one out here, means one course has been added to my cart. So let's purchase a free course as well. So I'll just click on any of these courses, the free courses available, and I'll click on enroll now. So again I'll click on this view cart option now. So you can see both the courses are added on to my cart. So like this you can add on n number of courses you want to purchase at one go, and then you can make a payment for it. In case if you have any coupon code available, you can add on that out here so that you can get a discount over the original price. So I'm removing this paid course for the ease of showing the process. So this paid course has been removed. Now I'll move forward with a free course. So proceed and checkout, you can see it is showing 0, or in case if you have a paid one, then it will show the amount that you need to pay. Proceed and checkout. So now here it will ask you whether you are a returning customer. So in case if you have visited our website earlier on also and created an account, you can click over this. If you are a new user visiting our platform for the first time or purchasing a course for the first time, then you can fill in the details out here. So I'll just enter the details I want. And whatever suitable details are, I'll just enter those things. So all these details are done, and after that I'll just click on this place order option. So it will take some time while placing the order. Just make sure all these details which are entered out here are correct so that you can easily log into your account. So it shows a message out here, thank you for enrollment, your account has been charged and transaction is successful. So in this case it was a free course, so I have been charged 0, and it has redirected me to this particular my courses page where I can access the course. So now let's see, we have also received a mail over our mail ID as well. So here you can see 2 mails are there. So if you are purchasing a course or you have created your ID for the first time over our platform, so it will show you these 2 mails: account has been created, order is now complete. So account has been created, this is showing you all the things, like this is your username and all, and here is a link available out here on which you can click and reset your password as well for the first time. So I'll click on this to reset my password, and in the meantime here you can see that the other mail is basically the summary of my order, like I have been charged 0 rupees and the details I have entered that time. right? So the screenshot can be used in case if you face any technical issue or you have not got any enrollment or something, then you can showcase this particular screenshot to our team, the mail to our team, and you can get your issues resolved regarding the enrollment process. So coming back to this reset password mail, so by clicking on this, it will redirect you to a page where it will ask you to reset the password, and you can reset the password out there. In case if you face issues with that process, then you can check out our video how we can reset our password. And still if you face any issues after that, then you can contact back to our team so that they can resolve your query and you are able to access the platform easily. Thank you.